Chapter number 5, Acids, Bases and Salts. Exercise question number 1. State differences between acids and bases. Answer. 1. These are sour to taste. These are bitter to taste. 2. Acids turn blue litmus red. Bases do not change the color of blue litmus. 3. Acids do not change the color of red litmus. Bases turn red litmus blue. 4. With China rose indicator, this gives dark pink color. Bases give green color with China rose indicator. 5. Acids do not change the color of turmeric indicator. Bases turn the color of turmeric indicator to red. Question number 2. Ammonia is found in many household products such as window cleaners. It turns red litmus blue. What is its nature? Answer. Ammonia is basic in nature as it turns the color of red litmus paper to blue. Question number 3. Name the source from which litmus solution is obtained. What is the use of this solution? Answer. Litmus solution is obtained from lichens. A natural dye extracted from lichens is dissolved in distilled water to obtain litmus solution. It is used as an indicator to distinguish between acids and bases. Solution. Color of litmus solution. Acidic red, basic blue, neutral no change. Next question, question number 4. Is the distilled water acidic, basic, neutral? How would you verify it? Answer. Distilled water is neutral in nature. The same can be verified by using red and blue litmus paper. Neither will show a color change with the distilled water. This proves that distilled water is neutral. Next, question number 5. Describe the process of neutralization with the help of an example. Answer. The reaction between an acid and a base is known as neutralization reaction. In this reaction, both acid and base cancel each other's effect. Neutralization reaction results in the formation of salt and water. During this reaction, energy is the form of heat is evolved. The reaction is acid plus base, salt plus water plus heat. For example, when sodium hydroxide NaOH is added to hydrochloric acid HCl, sodium chloride NaCl and water H2O are obtained. NaOH plus HCl, NaCl plus H2O plus heat. Next, question number 6. Mark T if the statement is true and F if it is false. 1. Nitric acid turns red litmus blue. Answer. False. 2. Sodium hydroxide turns blue litmus red. Answer. False. 3. Sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid neutralize each other and form salt and water. Answer. True. 4. Indicator is a substance which shows different colors in acidic and basic solutions. Answer. True. 5. Tooth decay is caused by the presence of a base. Answer. False. Next, question number 7. Dorji has a few bottles of soft drink in his restaurant, but unfortunately these are not labeled. He has to serve the drinks on the demand of customers. One customer wants acidic drink, another wants basic, and third one wants neutral drink. How will Dorji decide which drink is to be served to whom? Answer. Since the drinks are edible, Dorji can take the decision by tasting the drinks. Acidic drinks will be sour to taste, whereas basic drinks will be bitter to taste, and neutral drinks will have no taste. If Dorji has litmus indicator solution or paper, then he can take its help. He should put one drop of its drink on blue litmus paper. If the color of the litmus paper changes to red, then it is an acidic drink. Out of the remaining drinks, some are basic and some are neutral. Again, he should put one drop of remaining drinks on red litmus paper. If the color changes to blue, then it is basic and the others are neutral. In this way, he can serve all the three customers their respective drinks. Next, question number 8. Explain why A. An antacid tablet is taken when you suffer from acidity. Answer. This is because during acidity, an excess of acids is produced in the stomach. An antacid contains base such as milk of magnesia. These bases react with excess of acids and neutralize their effect, thus giving us relief. Next, question number B. Calamine solution is applied on the skin when an ant bites. Answer. When an ant bites, it injects formic acid into the skin. Calamine solution contains zinc carbonate, which is basic in nature. Therefore, it is applied on the skin to neutralize the effect of the formic acid. Next, question number C. Factory waste is neutralized before disposing it into the water bodies. Answer. Factory wastage contain acids. Therefore, these wastage when thrown directly to water bodies harm aquatic lives. Hence, these wastage are neutralized with basic chemicals before disposing to water bodies. Next, question number 9. Three liquids are given to you. One is hydrochloric acid, another is sodium hydroxide, and third is a sugar solution. How will you identify them? You have only turmeric indicator. Answer. We will put a drop each of hydrochloric acid, sodium hydroxide, and sugar solution on the turmeric indicator. The liquid which changes the color of turmeric indicator to red is basic in nature, that is sodium hydroxide. The reaction is turmeric indicator plus sodium hydroxide or hydrochloric acid or sugar solution, sodium hydroxide. Now we will put a drop of sodium hydroxide on a drop of each of other two liquids separately. After that, we will put the drops of these mixtures on turmeric indicator. The drop which will change the color of the turmeric indicator to red contains sugar solution. This is because the mixture of basic and neutral solutions is basic in nature. On the other hand, the drop which will not change the color of turmeric indicator contains hydrochloric acid. This is because hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide to form a neutral solution. Next, 10 number. Blue litmus paper is dipped in a solution. It remains blue. What is the nature of the solution? Explain. Answer. We know that basic and neutral solutions do not change the color of blue litmus paper. Since blue litmus paper remains blue after dipping in the solution, the solution is either basic or neutral in nature. Put a drop of this solution on a red litmus paper. If it turns blue, then the above solution is basic in nature, and if no color change occurs, then it is neutral. Next, question number 11. Consider the following statements. A. Both acids and bases change the color of all indicators. B. If an indicator gives a color change with an acid, it does not give a change with a base. C. If an indicator changes color with a base, it does not change color with an acid. D. Change of color in an acid and a base depends on the type of the indicator. Which of these statements are correct? A. 1. All 4. 2. A and B. 3. B and C. 4. Only D. Answer is 4. Only D. Change of color in an acid and a base depends on the type of the indicator.